Hey guys, what's happening? How to change contact picture on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your iPhone section, right? And then click the contact at the bottom middle. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the contact, right? Let's say for example, this guy, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit edit at the top, and I can go ahead and click edit to their name, and can click the plus button at the bottom right to choose my poster. I can select from my Bitmoji, Memoji, Monogram, or photos, right? And then basically you're gonna be able to change it from your side. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and we will catch you in the next time.